everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. My name is Selen and I am architect. On this channel I do videos about interior design to help you use your space wisely and also give you a perspective from an architect's eye. So if this is something that you are interested in, hit that subscribe button and follow my channel for more content. But today I want to switch things up a little bit because I'm in the process of changing, basically upgrading my bedroom. So I just thought it could be nice to show you a little bit more and also give you some ideas that you can also apply in your home. So basically I'm going to transform my chest of drawers for you in this video today, and it's gonna be very easy beginner type of DIY video. So I'm sure you can also do this in your home in a very easy way because you don't need any type of tools. You just need few things that you probably already have in your house. But you just need to buy the contact paper depending on your taste and what you want to do in your home. So if you're already curious, let's start. So first of all, I want to show you what am I going to use in this video, like my tools and my contact paper, so that you can prepare your list and then get some similar things to transform your own furniture. First of all, I got this contact paper on Amazon for like 7-8 pounds if I'm not wrong, and I got it in white and it has some type of small glitters in it because basically I want that to match with my wardrobe. And another contact paper is this one that I've got on, I think I got this one on eBay for similar prices, but it was a little bit hard to find this kind of gold. But I found it luckily, and I will put the link in the description box for you if you are also interested in. And I'm going to use this one on the details of my chest of drawers, so you will see in a very short time, so stay tuned for that. Another thing that you are going to need is this basic meter, like something like this one, or if you have the metal ones, that's also fine, it doesn't matter. Whatever you have, just use it. And you need a basic cutter and pen like this one I have here, like this one, and also a pen to pin some points on your contact paper before you cut it, because you want it to be exactly same as your chest of drawers size, so it's gonna be very useful. Make sure to have a pen, and you're going to need a surface cleaner and some cloth to clean your furniture before you put your contact paper. I have this one, but you can use any type of cleaner. This says is for floor, but it's not just for floor, so it really works well on the surfaces as well. And you just need a cloth like this to clean it up before you put it. And the reason you have to clean your furniture before you put your contact paper is that if you don't do it, you may have some bumps over time, which is not really good. So you have to make sure that you clean it so that your contact paper can stick it in a very easily and strong way. So yes, that's all you need today, and now we can start transforming our chest of drawers. So as you can see, this is my chest of drawers now. So the first thing I want to do is to cover this white frame, and in order to do that, I'm going to take all of the drawers out from here and put them on my bed. And then I will cover the white part first with the gold contact paper, and then I'm going to go with the white one for the main drawers. So yes, you guys, I don't know what you think, but I feel like I cannot live without tea. So I always have to have some sips of my tea before I do any kind of work or basically anything. Before I start cutting my gold contact paper, I'm going to measure this part and also here to make sure that it's gonna fit on my chest of drawers. And always make sure to leave some, let's say 5 millimeters from top and the bottom of that contact paper while you are cutting, to make sure that it's gonna fit, because you can always arrange it after you put here. Another thing is that before you stick your contact paper, always go with the same frame as your furniture. So what I mean by that is, as you can see, it's like this one, it finishes here, and this part is going to be like a one piece. Middle is going to be like separate small pieces. So always go with the same frame to have better edges to cover this stuff perfectly. So basically guys, this is the table that I use to cut my stuff, and this is something that I don't really care losing or damaging, so that's why I'm going to use this table. And I'm going to start measuring first. And I also want to say that, as you can see, it's going to be very easy to measure and cut because it has the 1 centimeter squares here, so you just need to measure and do it easily. So this is the piece that I'm going to use for the middle of the frame, and I need 4 of these. So I'm just going to keep cutting. As you can see guys, I finished cutting the gold ones here, and now I will start sticking them on my drawers and we will see how it goes. Guys, I just finished covering with the gold contact paper the frame, and it looks like this. Another advantage of these contact paper is that it doesn't damage the surface underneath. So if you're in a rental house, you can definitely go for this, and if the furnitures are ugly or just not really looking good, you can always change it and cover it with this one. So I really like it, and I just want to say that I also have another video about how you can upgrade your rental house, and there are so many great tips on that video. So if you are interested in, I'm going to put the link in the description box and also somewhere on the screen for you. So after you watch the transformation, you can go ahead and check that video out. So as you can see, I just put the drawers back here and it looks like this. And right now I'm going to cut the white contact paper for the drawers and also for the top. So let's go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel until here, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and follow my channel for more content. So like I have done on the gold contact paper, I've just measured my drawers again, and then I'm going to start cutting this white one, and then we will go from there. And this time I want to use my scissors to cut my contact paper because I'm just thinking that it's gonna be easier. So as you can see here, I've just finished cutting the white contact paper in pieces, and right now we will start sticking them on my chest of drawers. Let's go. By the way guys, if you have a card, you can get some help from that to stick it on your furniture like this. I've just finished the first one, as you can see, and I think I did a good job on the corners. Just this part was a little bit curvy, so it wasn't really easy to do, but I think I did a good job, so I like it. What do you think, guys? So I'm just going to keep doing the rest of it and then be back soon. guys, I've just finished covering my drawers with the white contact paper, as you can see here. So I'm going to do the top right now and put some nice decorations on there, and we'll be back soon. As you can see here, guys, I just finished hanging these vine leaves and I really like them. I bought them on Amazon and I'm going to put the link in the description box for you if you want to buy the same one. Yeah, so now I'm going to put some decorations. I have just finished the transformation of my chest of drawers and I really like it, and I hope you will like it as well. So drop your answers below if you like it or not, or do you want to try something like this in your home. But overall, I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more content. And you can also follow me on Instagram at selenarchitecturaldesign for daily inspirations, and I will put my website and contact information in the description box for your business inquiries. Again, thank you so much for watching and stay safe until I see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.